Now the monoatomic electrolysis, the first design with unequal plates was failing because I could not know what's going on. I just had unequal plates on the magnesium cell and the iron cell. This is not good. So I went on and made also magnesium negative pole and iron negative pole. The current for the zinc cell, I use 16 milliamps, works best. Then for the copper cell, 6 milliamps is enough. And since the magnesium cell is just a bit problem with the plus pole, it erupts too hard. I'm not sure how to go around it. So I went down to 4 milliamps, and the iron cell is producing so much that I really went down with a 22 kilo ohm potentiometer. This is then a current of 300 microamps. It's literally nothing, but it's still producing. As you can see on the plus pole, there is much more than on the negative pole. It's pretty interesting. Then the magnesium cell doesn't have that diffusion beam visible. The copper is already producing. Here it is visible, the beam. And the zinc is also producing it just after 4 hours of running. With the iron, I'm not sure yet, but these are the 4 essential minerals for our body, where the zinc, in my opinion, is the most important. Then for digesting the zinc, our body needs like 12 times less of copper, like a little bit of copper also. Then magnesium is very, very important also. But iron is then used for oxygen transportation in our body. But I'm not sure about this product yet. The size, everything is really good, but I must read up more about it. So why do I do this, and what's the benefit of it? I using only source water and nothing else. No salt, no chemicals, no hydrochloric acid, nor sodium hydroxide, nothing. Just source water, metals, and a tiny bit of a current, and nothing else. And this creates a perfect product. It is not monatomic, it is a molecule. Now, this is the harvest before 4 hours. This I would let this settle some more, like 10 hours more. But you can see it has a diffusion beam inside. Also the magnesium. You can barely see it. Now this is an old batch of copper. You can barely see it, but yeah. So for the zinc, you can read that it is almost insoluble in water, but when you make the calculation, then you can come to the result of 6 parts per million, means 6 molecules of zinc oxide up on 1 million water atoms, molecules, sorry. So this is perfect product. The size is then monomolecule, I would say. Because otherwise, if it's bigger, then it must go down and clump together here on the bottom. Hope this helps. It's most natural and the most non-toxic and oldest version of producing monatomic minerals. It's not minerals, it's like not monatomic, it's monomolecular. You can read up the Baghdad battery. They found vessels in Baghdad, and they have found that these were batteries. And everybody would ask himself, why would they use batteries? Would they use it for maybe galvanized metals, like make it copper coated or zinc coated, or what would they use the Baghdad batteries for? That's a good question. So hope this helps, and this is the simplest method. It is very non-toxic.